Homeowners aren't the only ones seeing higher insurance premiums these days. So are area school districts. In Flower Bluff, for example, it's to the point where school leaders say passing a balanced budget is getting more difficult to do.
It will ultimately lead to some tough decisions. Today, school board members sought counsel from state leaders to come up with real solutions to the problem. Our Bill Churchwell joins us now with those details. Bill?
What you are seeing are high insurance costs, and those costs are taking away from the budgets for these school districts to operate. It's something school leaders have been dealing with for at least 5 years and has now reached a tipping point. Flower Bluff school board members conducting a roundtable discussion on significant increases in property and casualty insurance premiums and the impact they're having on the district's budget.
We're at the point where we're going to have to stop insuring things so that we can give our teachers raises. Period.
The district's current premium just over $3.2 million. This chart showing just how much it's climbed in the last 5 years, despite not having to file any major wind or hail claims.
It's finally coming to a point where we've turned over every stone in the budget. And it's really hurting our ability to take care of our staff and our students the way that we need to.
Superintendent Chris Steinbrook says the out-of-control cost is keeping them from using that money on district needs, such as competitive teacher salaries and capital improvement projects for aging facilities.
80% of our budget is in salary, and so outside of that, you have a limited amount of money to take care of the rest of what needs to be taken care of.
Paying the price for being on the coast, despite receiving the same level of funding as other schools across the state.
The fires in Bastrop, and we're paying for all of that, but nobody's paying for any of our risks.
For us, it doesn't make sense where we can just go 130 miles up 37, and Floresville only pays $880,000. If we were like Floresville, with the premium that they have, we'd have an extra $2.5 million in our budget to be able to take care of those things. And so we're just asking for a level playing field.
The district isn't alone.
Port A's having to spend $2,100 per kid just in insurance.
This is all a battle of money.
State Representative Todd Hunter and Senator Morgan Lamantia listened to the board's concerns to help come up with legislative solutions.
Our whole point is to have the schools teach our kids. They don't need to be hit with these unnecessary costs, especially these discriminatory windstorm costs.
Now, the board is looking at potential options that could include less coverage. One would mean a higher deductible. Another would only focus on operational facilities, but they're hoping lawmakers can help make the difference. State Rep Hunter tells me that he will be holding hearings in both August and September, which are focused on insurance. School leaders say they are planning to advocate any way they can to help lessen that burden. Back to you.